And we welcome back our lightweights, Ronald David Anderson III, representing the United States in the blue, taking on Amadshad Abdullayev, representing Tajikistan in the red. Both victorious in their first outings, I believe, but both very different styles. Anderson likes to strike and move, doesn't really engage in grappling, whereas Tajikistan always looking for that takedown. Southpaw stance for Anderson, switches now in that orthodox stance. Controlling the range well. Nice little tap on that leg as he went for the double. Converts it as well early on here. Anderson needs to frame and try and stand out to his feet, gives up his back, but gets back to the feet, that's nice. Tajikistan remat and slam. Nice elevation and just hoists his man away from the fence. That left hand on the head. Gets beaten now. Nice athleticism on display and balance from Anderson, but relentless is Abdullayev. Abdullayev on top now, trying to land shots. Allows Anderson to get back to the feet by doing so, and he circles off well, but running out of time in this first round now. And quite an even matchup on the feet. Only real dominance was the takedowns from Tajikistan. Second round here, Anderson with a lot of thinking to do. Game plan not going his way at the moment. Needs to be aware of the entries. Tajikistan having a lot of success once they decide to change levels. Nice control from Tajikistan. Anderson shucking back and forth. Momentarily stalling, getting to the fence. Does very well there to stay off the fence. All timed well, good sprawl though. This is much better from Anderson in this second round. Showing good takedown defense. Matching each other on the striking, punch for punch. Right hand lands to the face there from Anderson, gets warned from our referee. Was accidental. Beautifully timed entry there. Tajikistan feinted the right hand, changed levels. Now smothering his man up against the fence. Rather than passing the guard, decides to shuck him over and look to take the back. Gets that left leg in between to hinder, maybe open up to try and put in that right foot. Stands well, Anderson. But again, rematted. Turns his back in a half guard position now. Regains the guard well. Anderson needs to attack from his back. Needs to show urgency. Needs to attack. Needs to stand. Gets back to his feet but receives punches on the way. And again, dominance shown in the grappling department from Tajikistan. And our third and final round gets underway. Anderson, I would say, is 2 rounds down, so he needs to show urgency and look for a finish in this third. Going to be hard to do that, though, against the historic opponent from Tajikistan. Looking flawless in his takedown attempts. And once he gets on top, he's real good at smothering his opponents. Beautifully timed takedown again. Converts it. Anderson needs to open the guard. He needs to look for submission opportunities. He needs to try and make something happen here. Gets back to his feet. Being asked from the American corner, needs to push forward and look for his own takedowns. That is not going to be good enough though, unfortunately. Nice right hand there from Anderson, lands to the body. Showing urgency, coming forward, throwing heavy shots. Again, very well timed takedown. Beautiful defense though. Pushed back there. Being called on by his corner is Anderson from the United States. Needs higher output, needs work, needs to look for a finish in this round. Better time takedown from Anderson. Gets on the single. Switch here. Attempt at a switch anyway. From Tajikistan now stuffs the head. Wraps the legs around with his arms. Has good position here to stuff the takedown. Last 10-second cracker is here. Maybe going to look for an anaconda choke. Gives up. Oy, beautiful spinning heel kick. And that fight comes to an end. Deep press from Tajikistan, but puts in a good shift in that one. Not surprisingly, Tajikistan taking that victory. Dominant grappling. A good show of sportsmanship, taking a photo together. All of our experience here in the IMMAF Youth World Championships. We will see these men again.